The ThinkHub tool really resonated with us because of the type of work we do in being an Agile operating organization. Agile is a very collaborative and visual way of doing business, and seeing the screen for the first time was quite exciting because you could interact with it, and we do a lot of big visual radiators of information. The first time I saw ThinkHub, I was thinking this could really be a game changer for the way we do things in our space in Agile development at the team level and in organizations' ability to collaborate across multiple sites and have everyone literally on the same page at the same time. The visual nature and the ease of use, the touch enablement of applications on the ThinkHub product seemed to lend itself really easily and seamlessly to what we do.
Specifically, the engineers, we're using the board to do design discussions, at a high level and have collaborative conversations around, how we want to architect things, as well as designing out new solutions. Yeah, it definitely has reduced the clutter and reduced the need for sticky notes on the wall and taking notes back to your desk and typing them into the system of record. It's also made things much more collaborative where we can quickly spin up a design session or a group discussion and then have it follow us back to our machine without taking pictures of things and texting them to each other.
One of the things we've been able to do with ThinkHub is actually open a web browser in real time, take a look at a web page, and take a look at it in such a way that allows you to actually stand in front of the artifact, and you can write on it, talk about things in real time. That's something that I've really not had access to before, and it's a very valuable way of being able to provide art direction for individuals where they can see what you're doing in real time. And it's a really great way to have a broader conversation where I grew up sort of old school. There was pictures and things you put up on a wall, and there was a physicality to it. To some degree, we get that with ThinkHub. It gives us an opportunity to see those things in a way that I think we've lost a little bit, and it brings some of that back for me. So as an art director, it's great.
I think that ThinkHub as an Agile product would continue to be used for morning stand-up and helping us streamline that process and keeping our work item statuses up to date and moving along. Also continuing to play a major role when it comes to design discussions and brainstorming sessions that we have with the other engineers as we talk through new solutions.
ThinkHub, I think, is going to change a lot about what we do with our general operations. But we do have some folks that work from home some days, and so we can use that with people in disparate locations to help enable the collaboration. We do objectives and key results as a way we do quarterly planning here, and that's a very visual tool that we again had a lot of post-its and things posted on the wall, and I think we're gonna adapt that next year for how we operate and do our updates in that practice.